A lifted truck is a superior truck. Allows simply run with that rationale for a minute, and along these lines celebrate at the news that you would now be able to get the Nissan Titan and Nissan Titan XT with a plant-approved suspension lift unit. Created by Icon Vehicle Dynamics and accessible on crew cab 4x4 models, it can lift the truck up to 3 creeps by method for flexible stature coilover stuns, custom pull and direction and extraordinary delta joints. Given the standard ground freedom of different crew cab Titan trim levels, you'd be taking a gander at leeway in the vicinity of 11 and 13.6 crawls with the lift unit. Nissan calls attention to that no cutting or penetrating is required. One of the engaging parts of this lift unit is that it is affirmed by Nissan. It will be accessible through Nissan merchants, can be introduced at a merchant, and it won't influence your plant guarantee. Nissan appraises the establishment at a merchant would take around 4 hours. It's totally dart on, and Nissan says that it could be effectively introduced and after that expelled for rented vehicles. Also, the suspension itself is warranted by Icon. The packs will wind up noticeably accessible this spring. Valuing has not been declared.